Greetings, mankind. Today, I've been given this opportunity to like conduct myself as a politician, to persuade you guys to vote for me. So please do vote, because I need your vote, But I was thinking to myself, since you guys are going to be voting for me, what can I do for you in return? What can I do for them that seek peace desperately? So there are so many books out there, and all of these books, all of them, they offer a temporary fix, except one, a book that has been there for thousands of years, the Book of Ale, a compilation of different books that tell us about the source and his intentions with us and the universe as a whole. Do you have any idea how vast the universe is? I mean, you take that, you combine it with what quantum physics says or implies about space. You combine that, dude, the knowledge. Well, I don't know really that stuff. I think you've heard enough now. Let's get back to the primary objective. Identification. Name, Tsepo Moses Kolwane. Age, 24 years. Home village. Pizza. So now we can begin. Today I'm going to be playing the Reaper himself. Frustrated at the fact that he's not the ultimate thing. There's actually another form of death after dying. So that he's not really happy about that. So let's begin. Death. You think physical death is bad? You have no idea. There's death after death. And for you to survive, you have to understand, to learn to understand the truth. Yeah, no, that's it.